Hey guys, and welcome to Riggs Garage. Today we are going to do a transmission drain and refill for the Honda automatic transmission. Now this video really applies to any Honda automatic transmission. It's really simple. We have transmission fluid, we have a drain plug, and we have a method by which to refill your transmission. So I do this on all my Honda automatic transmissions. That's how you make them last a long time. Hondas are very known to be finicky about the transmission fluid cleanliness, the clarity. They don't like dirty transmission fluid. So here's another Honda I've kept alive. So let's have a quick look and see what we need to talk about. First things first is you just need to identify where your fill is on this. This is basically an Accord drivetrain on this Odyssey. There is a dipstick right there. And then on the underside of the transmission on this side, there is a drain plug. So the whole point of this is draining what's in the pan of your transmission, usually 3 to 4 quarts. Drain it into a pan and then top your transmission back off with a fresh 3 to 4 quarts, and then drive the car and do that every oil change or two, just to keep fresh fluid circulating through your Honda automatic transmission. The other extremely important thing is using the right fluid. So I would recommend either the Honda fluid from the dealer itself or this Aisin. I don't know if I said that correct, but this is DW1 Aisin. This is a very high quality Honda specific automatic transmission fluid. So I usually buy this at Rock Auto. It is the cheapest from them. Buy 7-8 quarts at a time, and then I can just cycle fresh transmission fluid through my Honda automatic transmissions. So let's get to work. I do want to add a couple pieces of clarity to the automatic transmission drain and refill. This is not a transmission flush. I repeat, this is not a transmission flush. A transmission flush is when somebody pumps many quarts of fresh transmission fluid through the system and replaces all the fluid. This is a small incremental replacement of the fluid. It exports dirty fluid, but it doesn't shock your old high mile transmission with 12 quarts of brand new beautiful fluid, right? In many cases, when you have a ton of miles in your car, doing a flush and putting a ton of new fluid in there can really mess things up, because that fluid has detergents in it and it can really mess up your automatic transmission. In this case, with my high mile old transmissions, I do the 3 or 4 quart drain and refill only, and just do that frequently, kind of like oil changes, and beautiful clear fluid comes out. My magnets stay pretty clean and the transmissions act really happy. So hopefully this helps you. Just a quick note on this Aisin Honda automatic transmission fluid. I do have a link in the description of the video below. Clicking that link is an affiliate link, and it definitely helps the channel out financially. So if you buy that through my link, it'll get you a good price and it helps the channel out. Thank you guys. Many of these automatic transmissions have a drain plug like this. It will be magnetic, so it catches any metallic matter in your transmission fluid, like wearing bands and clutches. But this is a 3/8 inch socket input, so all you need, so all you need is your 3/8 inch socket, and then you can just break it loose. All right, here's the magnetic drain plug. You can see that there's a little bit of matter on there, so I'm going to wipe this off and get ready to refill this thing up. Clean the plug off. Now we're going to put it back in the car. Make sure you have a good look at your fluid. Put it into a clean pan like this. Make sure it's not super dark brown, doesn't smell burnt or anything like that. Now on a lot of these, you'll want a funnel like this. It's a transmission funnel. Put it right in place and then start to refill. All right, once you've confirmed your transmission is full, check your manual, make sure you know exactly where the marks are, what the temperature is. A lot of these are check while it's warm. Once it's full, then your drain and refill is complete. Do this often. Keep fresh, nice fluid in your automatic transmission. And I have friends that have taken these transmissions well over 300,000 miles, some towing trailers even. Thanks for watching Riggs Garage. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you would. Appreciate your time. Thank you.